In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Each one of us, each one of us is gifted with the talents, with a certain talents by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And each one of us has been given certain ambitions as well. So we are ambitious on the one hand and talented on the other hand. Although the ambition and the talent is not equal, although the category of the talents are not the same, rather each and everyone else is carrying a different sort of capabilities, a different sort of talents, like there is a level, a degree of the talents, the frequency, not the frequency, rather the intensity, the level, the grade of the talent. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan, there are certain situations, particularly when somebody is living at a smaller place, in a village, in a small town, where there are dearth of opportunities, and the people there are narrow minded, the people there are misers, the people there are having a kind of grudge against each other. The people want to stop your way, they don't want you to develop, they don't want you to make progress. I'm sorry, this sort of kinky interruptions, rickshaw interruptions are very common here, where I'm working, where I'm speaking, but my audience do have to bear it. I feel sorry for it. Now returning to the topic, the people, the creatures of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we are we are having the talents, and the talents of ours vary from person to person. The degree of the talents, the quality of the talent, the intensity of the talent also varies from person to person. But if at all there are people who are living in the villages, the people who are living in the towns, usually there is a kind of monopoly of certain people over the town, and these certain people don't want the children of the commoners to come forward, to utilize their, to identify their talents, to polish their talents, to utilize their talents in the best possible manner, and become a very prominent people in the society, to become a successful people in the society. It is their jealousy, it is their grudge, or it is their being miser, which has created a kind of attitude like this one towards the commoners, towards the children of the poor. And what to do in a situation like this one? I think so that the right situation is that the person should move, the person should migrate, the talented person, the talented boy or girl, although it is not easy, maybe it is not feasible for a girl to live away from the family, but as for the grown up people, as for the male adults are concerned, they can do it. They can move to a better place. They can identify their talents, they can polish their talents, they can utilize their talents in the best possible manner. There are plenty of opportunities available. Plus the people there, they are not as narrow minded, the people there are not as much misers. The people there do understand that we cannot stop anyone else from developing, and still, but if at all still you find a person, if at all you are still working with someone else who is miser enough, with someone else who does not want you to develop, to make progress, to become a prosperous person, then the right situation, the right thing is to change the company, to go to a new place, go to a new company, go to a new group of people, or go to a new individual and start working with those people. And if at all you do find that while being here, that while working with this person, I can keep identifying, I can keep polishing, I can keep developing, I can keep utilizing my talents in a better way, I think so, then you should stick to that person, even if the wages he she is offering are not at par with the other people. But the primary thing is it is about the talents, the kind of capabilities we people are possessing. We need to identify, we need to develop, we need to utilize all of our talents, and we need to work according to our own ambitions. We need to live fully, we need to have a maximum of our life. This is the right thing, this is the best thing, and this is the much needed thing, I think so. If at all we don't dare to do that, if at all we don't dare to migrate, if at all we don't dare to leave the company, but prior to leaving the company, while keeping in view the situation, the scenario, the dearth of opportunities in Pakistan, it is far better to look for the other opportunity first, and to make sure that they are going to get you, they are going to absorb you, they are going to employ you, they are going to offer you a relatively better employment. Then only you should leave the company you are working with. Otherwise, you should keep sticking to it, you should keep working to it. But simultaneously, it is important to keep searching for the new opportunity, to keep searching for a better opportunity. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan and abroad, in certain cases, even the parents of a child, even the parents of a younger folk, they are ignorant, they are foolish, and they don't know that their child is a talented one, that their son or daughter is an ambitious one. They need to develop, they need to make progress, they need to move forward. And these parents, the foolish and the illiterate parents, these parents are of the view that since we are not so resourceful, hence we don't need to think, hence we don't to need to have the bigger dreams. And the bigger dreams is a kind of crime for those people, for these ignorant parents. Although they love dearly their son and daughter, but because of being ignorant, but because of living at a very smaller places, they people have lost all the wisdom, or maybe they were not carrying any of the wisdom. Now these people, now the parents of this sort, they try to force their children to obey and to comply the foolish instructions, the foolish advices. All of the advices are not foolish at all, but certain of these, particularly regarding the career, regarding the livelihood, regarding the role someone can play in the society, and in the society, if at all somebody is ambitious, if at all somebody is capable enough, believe me or not, under the pressure of the society, under the pressure of certain people at a smaller place, under the influence of those people, now the parents of this sort, they too don't want their children to become ambitious, don't want their children to exhibit the maximum of their talents, because they people are of the view, because the parents of this one, dislike, are of the view that the influential people will be annoyed, or these parents think that there is a wastage, and a wastage of time, the wastage of energy, the wastage of finances. So for that reason, they want their children to do the same old work, to work in the same old project, and that too as a humble worker, not as a manager. It did happen with many of the people, it is happening even today with many of the people, and maybe it will keep happening as long as This universe is there as long as the human being is here on this earth, because some of the people are, some of the parents are foolish parents, because many of the societies, they are not the clean, they are not the clean people, they are not the people of good intention. These are the people who want to suppress the others. These are the people who want their own children to come forward, and not the children of the commoners, not the children of the poor. So they don't want you to develop, they don't want you to become prosperous. So for that reason, these people are trying to stop you. And maybe the society, the circumstances, the situation does allow them, it does not forbid them, because there is no one else to interfere. And if at all there is a good way to do that, but these younger folks who are talented and ambitious, they don't know how to do that, how to avail the circumstances in their own favor. Now, I am of the view, either a person should change, or a person should change the place where he she is living. On the other hand, it is very important, it is very important to work online, to show your capabilities, to exhibit your talents online. So the people, not only the people of that particular village, not only the people of that particular town, rather the people of the whole world will come to know about your talents, and they will start appreciating you. Someone might hire you, I think so, where there are plenty of problems created by the social media. But at the same time, social media is a great place. If at all you are not being recognized, if at all you don't get a recognition from the people around you, because of their jealousy, because of their ignorance, because of their grudge, because of any other reason, but still the online working is the only option. This is the best option, because the whole of the world is in front of you. You just take out the cell phone, you just take out the smartphone from your pocket, or you do work on a computer. I think so that for a talented person, for a capable person, he she, if they belong to the commoner, to a commoner family, if at all they do live in a smaller place, in a village, or in a small town, in a small city, I think that the best option for all these people is to switch over to their working online. Thank you, Jazakallah.